Boat! A boat! The gods have given me
Maui, shapeshifter, demigod of the wind and sea. I am Moana of...
I got that callous.
My fist hungers for justice. That was my fist.
To get to that tower without being spotted by the wolves. The hardcore do understand. But I can't watch my friend be killed. I hope this turns out better than your plan to cook rice in your stomach by eating it raw and then drinking boiled water.
We are very disappointed in you. Exactly, we're mad at you. You need a timeout. Yes, grounded for 3 days, weeks. You're grounded for 3 weeks. Meet your new baby brother.
This is it. This is the one. Mub, Grub. It's a very nice looking group of pop. I might have a hard time picking one. Do you have a favorite? How about that one? Parade, fun, smiling. Yeah, that's one way to go. It's all right, relax. It's just me.
I mean, yes, I can sing, but no, I get so nervous, and I can do it. I mean, I would do it, but no, I just...
Norman, would you please tell them what a good singer I am?
Oh my goodness! Nemo, are you okay? What happened?
Yes! Great idea! You take me to find him. Why didn't I think of that?
Do is give me the tag.
What tag? There's a tag on my fin.
How could you forget you have a tag on your fin? You don't remember what we were talking about?
Mm-mm.
Oh, this old nest? It's just something I put together last minute. With my own 2 wings, of course. And my strength. And my brawn. No, you the bird.
Oh, we are certainly going to do some thinking about what we do. We're Smurfs. We do the right thing. Wow, wow, wow. Then why are we going so slow? I've never been better. This is so nice. Oh, I wish it could be like this all the time.
Hero of men. It's actually Maui, shapeshifter, demigod of the wind and sea, hero of men. I interrupted from the top, hero of men. Boat! A boat! The gods have given me
Maui, shapeshifter, demigod of the wind and sea. I am Moana of...
Seriously, how cool is your grandma?
Great.
Real trees, they produce oxygen for free. It's not a lie. It's called photosynthesis.
That was great.
Oh, I could right now.
Is to see a real living tree. Holy rabies! This looks like a blast! Hi guys! This is so exciting! Oh, look at all of this! So cool! Wow, I can't believe I'm actually here! Johnny! Dennis is not a mom!
What you look like I'm doing? I'm doing superhero stuff. Fit. Let me tell you something. Anybody comes in here looking for trouble, oh, they're gonna meet my partners. And I'm talking about Paul and O. Oh, hey, big fella. What I do? Oh, I just rescued a tiger. Yeah, I'm not even trying to brag about that. I'm just telling you what happened. See, that's the thing about being awesome. When you're awesome, all you have to do is tell the truth, and it just sounds like you're bragging. First of all, I want to welcome White Thunder back from the washing machine, who was put in there with a red blanket, and henceforth will be known as Pink Thunder.
Shorts weather where we're going? Come on, everybody likes that song. Oh, hey, how you doing? Little selfie action. Fire! Ah!
Oh, Max, you're never gonna believe it. Oh, hey, I like your comb. Listen, I heard Chuck tell Liam that we're going on a trip. Hey, cow, moo. You're a cow, you're supposed to say moo. Okay, dude, not cool. Okay, I get it. You made your point. Okay, leaving. Oh, so many smells I've never smelled before. Oh, my nose is so confused and so happy.
Really? We're going in a car? Man, you know, life is funny. One minute you're getting fitted for a cone, and the next you get to go in a car. This is incredible. Every pet knows you pee on it, you own it. The vet? No. Oh, not cool. You tricked me. Home base to all units. The package has left the building. Does anyone have eyes on him?
Oh, sister, it's gonna get way weirder. I'm gonna throw some situations at you, and you're just gonna, like, you know, you're gonna react like a cat. I gotta be honest with you, my owner may have given me a little bit of catnip. It is great, Gidget. Everything is great. Do you hear that? It's like a tiny, tiny little motor. That humming sound.
Okay, you don't listen. It's Daisy. I need Captain Snowball for a top secret rescue. That was weird. Now, excuse me, Rabbit, Cat, do any of you all know Captain Snowball? My name is Daisy, and I really got to talk to him. A poor defenseless animal needs saving.
I promise to listen to Pops and learn how to be adorable, wide-eyed, and loving. To get what I want, when I want it. Okay now, Pops, quit!
This is important. I lost Busy Bee and I've got to get him back. But to do that, Chloe, I need you to teach me the way of the cat. Oh, I love him. I just love him immediately. It's just like we're his parents. It's like you're the dad and I'm the mom and we're in a relationship and this is our baby. Absolutely not. Never gonna happen. Gidget, what have you done?
It's my job as chief to protect us, Hiccup. And one day, when you're all growing up, that job will be passed on to you.
Those are scary.
Oh, don't you worry. One day I'll find the hidden world and seal it up. But those sailors who turned back told tales of a great waterfall and dragons guarding the entrance to a hidden world, especially Night Furies.
Whoa, Gidget, you look so much like a cat, it's crazy. Seriously, guys, I think I broke something.
Nonsense. What harm could he do? No injuries. They're all a little shaken, but otherwise they're healthy. Oh, it was indescribable. And please, call me Valka. It has been a year. Astrid does have a point. I mean, perhaps you all rely a little bit too much on your dragons and not enough on one another. I fear it can't last, Hiccup. There's nothing more stubborn than a mob of tired, hungry Viking. He thinks he has to lead alone because his father had to. He doesn't realize the strength that you have together. Do you still believe in him? Then help him realize the truth.
You know what? Just trace your toothless card and make her white.
Can you believe it?
Toothless has a girlfriend! Well, we could train a lot harder for one. That was pretty sloppy.
Bud, what has gotten into you? What's with all this slobbering and panting?
Isn't it obvious? He's in love.
You brought back a hobgoblin! They're a bad omen! We're cursed!
Gobber, relax. We did it. The world's first dragon Viking utopia. We made the dream a reality.
Your dream, maybe. Mine's less crowded and more, sanitary. Stop worrying about problems out there and start sorting out the ones right here. Squeezing you. You tiny wee Viking heat.
Don't underestimate him, Hiccup. Mark my word, he'll be back. Yeah, I wouldn't advise taking Toothless anywhere, Chief. I know this handiwork. Grimmel the Grizzly. Famous, back from where I'm from. Smartest dragon hunter I ever met. Well, next to me, of course. What? Hey, is there a problem here? I agree with Hiccup. We haven't seen the last of Grimmel. He's a predator. Single-minded and patient. He won't stop until he gets what he wants.
Whoa, hold up, Toothless. Okay, Toothless, okay, yes, I know. Shh. Yeah, really? Do you think you and I should, But what if it's real? It could be the answer to all of our problems. Oh, we could just take Gobber's advice and tie the knot. That should fix everything. No, that's crazy. No, that's crazy. No, that's crazy. Dad used to talk about an old mariner's myth of a secret land at the edge of the world where dragons live totally out of reach. Grimmel is just a sign of the times. Our enemies are getting smarter, more determined. We're not just overcrowded, we're exposed and vulnerable.